Hey guys, and welcome back to another dope video with yours truly. So I stopped by M.A.C recently. I think this is literally only the second time I've been in a M.A.C store. I know, I can't believe I'm saying that. But yes, I love M.A.C. I'm in love with M.A.C now, and they're like super inexpensive. So I wanted to share with you guys what I purchased. So I purchased a lipstick. And there's my receipt. You probably can't see anything, but it was like $22. And then I got a discount. I signed up for their membership. I got a discount. Yeah, it's a retro matte liquid lip color. And it's in the color Espresso. So yeah, I got a discount for like 25% off. And so I paid like 15 bucks for it. So it was definitely a steal. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys and give you guys a little swatch of it and show you guys how I'm gonna apply it. So the first thing I'll do is just put a little lip gloss, because we all know matte lipsticks will dry you out, have you looking ashy, your lips looking ashy, but they'll have color, but they'll be a little ashy. So now I'm gonna take the lip color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's a little darker. It's espresso, but I thought it was really pretty. And I don't know if it necessarily matches what I have on today, but I said I wanted to go ahead and try it out. So it's more, for me, I think it's more of a natural color. You almost can't really even tell I have anything on. All right, so next what I'll do is I'll just take a little black lip liner to just kind of blend this in a little better. And I just like lip liner on my lips because they're a little more fuller than most, and I feel like a liner just helps define them a little better, especially when I'm wearing an actual lip color. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little swatch for you guys so you can kind of see it up against my skin and see kind of like the real color of it. So it's really like a really pretty dark, almost, I'd say chocolate. I mean, it's espresso, so it's the dark brown basically. And so I don't necessarily like just the brown alone, just because my eyeshadow and stuff is kind of shimmery. So I'm just gonna add a little gold shimmer gloss just to brighten it up just a little bit. And I think that's perfect. So I think this color is really pretty, and I think it looks really nice. Of course, you know, like I said, I mixed it just for my own personal liking, and I think it turned out really well. So you guys should check out M.A.C and check out the other lip colors they have. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.